And again, it goes back to the kitab, because now look, what does the ayah say? What is this kitab? Allah Ta'ala now describes this kitab, وَلَمْ يَجْعَلْ لَهُ عِوَجًا. He has not placed therein any crookedness. وَلَمْ يَجْعَلْ لَهُ عِوَجًا. Iwaj is to be bent, right? So Allah has not placed in the book any crookedness, because it's perfect. Everything in the book of Allah is perfect, and every prescription in the book of Allah is perfect for us, and that's the only way we can have perfection. Qayyima, the second ayah starts, fully, upright, balanced. Qayyima, fully upright, balanced. So again, we need to reflect that. Do we have iwaj in us? Do we have crookedness in us, or are we balanced and upright? قُلْ آمَنْتُ بِاللَّهِ ثُمَّ اسْتَقَامُوا. Say, I believe in Allah, and then be upright, be steady, be steadfast, be balanced. How can you be upright and not waver this way and that way? If you start wavering right and left, it's all crookedness. It's bent. You're bending yourself. How do you just stay directed? Is through the kitab, is making our sole concern Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So this is using Allah's hukum as a gauge of our own selves. This is the goal, developing a Qur'anic consciousness, such that when we examine ourselves, we're looking at ourselves through the lens of the Qur'an. When we look at the world, we look at it through the lens of the Qur'an. The kitab is our mizan, because it's qayyim, it's perfectly balanced, and so it's the best gauge to use to judge anything else. Any other gauge will have iwaj, it will have crookedness, so it won't give you an accurate depiction of yourself or the world. Like right now, we're inundated with the most crooked ways of seeing ourselves. Even the balance of gender is being questioned and ripped. The fabric of that balance is being ripped by the public ethos, and all of these virtues that are timeless, from all of the faith traditions, let alone the final manifestation of truth that abrogates all other previous dispensations. These are being challenged, so we have to be very straight and strong in this time, especially.